There we go. Okay.
So I found Zen Windows through my dad, actually, who does a lot of research. So he researched it for me, and he found, you know, great reviews on Zen Windows. So I actually contacted you guys pretty soon after I had about 2 other bids, and it was a much more pleasant experience. I had a lot of salesmen that tried to spend a lot of time in our home, and so I got an online bid. It was very quick, and I was contacted by Dennis and his wife very soon after that. And once we decided to go with them, they came in and measured the windows, didn't spend a ton of time in our house, which I really appreciated. And we chose the windows, he got them ordered, and unlike other companies that said it would take over 10 weeks, this only took, you know, 4 to 5 weeks. So we've been really happy so far.
How the guys do today taking care of your house?
Oh, great. I mean, it's maybe cleaner than when I, than
So-
maybe when we had it before. Yeah, so it's been very, very fast and not a lot of, I mean, mess at all, so.
Yeah, okay, good, thanks.
Yeah.